Welcome to Godspeed, where we are reimagining the software development lifecycle from chaos to agentic flow. Let's walk through how Saarthi automates every step of your SDLC, from idea to release. Step 1. Planning and requirements. With Saarthi's Product Manager Lead mode, all you need to do is describe your idea in the chat box. Saarthi takes it from there, drafting a phase-wise product requirements document, TRD, that's traceable, versioned, and reviewable right inside VS Code. You can even fetch existing documents directly from Confluence using MCP. Step 2. System design and architecture. Now that your TRD is ready, it's time to bring your product to life technically. Simply switch to architecture mode, prompt Saarthi to create a technical requirements document, and watch it go to work. Saarthi reads the TRD context, analyzes dependencies, and automatically generates your system architecture, complete with database schema, flowcharts, and sequence diagrams, all inside VS Code. What usually takes days of architectural discussions and planning happens in minutes. Saarthi follows a structured approach, gathering information, organizing components, and producing detailed TRDs that architects and developers can build from immediately. This is not just AI writing content. It's agentic design automation, aligning your technical plan perfectly with your product strategy. Step 3. Sprint planning or turning plans into GitHub issues. With your TRD and TRD in place, it's time to plan your sprints. Using the sprint planning workflow, Saarthi can automatically convert your TRD and TRD into actionable GitHub issues. Each issue is labeled by feature, assigned to the right team member, and grouped under milestones. No more manual issue creation or context switching between tools. You can even preview the sprint plan right inside VS Code before pushing it to GitHub. In seconds, your roadmap transforms into a live execution board, ready for development. Step 4. Test strategy. Before a single line of code is written, Saarthi prepares the entire test strategy. Per issue, it generates API test cases, validations, error handling, response patterns, all mapped back to TRD acceptance criteria. Quality isn't added later. It's baked in from the start. Step 5. Feature implementation. Now it's time to build. With Issue 2 PR workflow, Saarthi assists developers as a true copilot, helping create feature branches, setting up boilerplate structures, and ensuring every commit links back to its TRD and TRD references. It starts by connecting to GitHub MCP server and fetching issue details. Then creates a feature branch to implement code changes. It helps you follow naming conventions, maintain modularity, and track development progress seamlessly. After implementation, it also performs automated code review, a stage where most teams spend a lot of time, scanning for performance issues, code and architectural mismatches. Saarthi can also fix the issues found in review process, and then opens a PR link to the issue. Step 6. Test case generation. Once development starts, quality assurance kicks in automatically. Saarthi's QA mode creates comprehensive test suites, unit, integration, and end-to-end, ensuring over 80% coverage from the start. Each test case is intelligently linked to the corresponding TRD feature and GitHub issue, maintaining complete traceability from requirements to validation. You can even ask Saarthi to regenerate or extend test coverage interactively. No need to write boilerplate test files ever again. The result? A consistent, automated QA pipeline that grows with your codebase. It also supports debug mode, where it helps engineers identify, isolate, and fix bugs faster. Saarthi provides explanations for each issue and even suggests optimized code snippets based on your coding standards. And because it has full visibility across PRDs, TRDs, and commits, reviews are no longer just syntax checks. They're context-aware validations that ensure code quality and intent alignment. Fully orchestrated delivery. Finally, when everything is ready to ship, you can ask Saarthi to deploy it to staging or production and get a complete traceability report. With human-in-loop control, you stay in charge while Saarthi does the heavy lifting, ensuring your release cycles are faster, safer, and fully auditable. With Saarthi, every stage of your SDLC, from requirements to release, happens in one continuous flow. No disjointed tools, no context lost, no endless back and forth. Saarthi doesn't replace your team. It collaborates like one. It brings speed, traceability, governance, and human-in-loop control, making your software development lifecycle agentic, automated, and accountable. Turn your VS Code into a self-orchestrating workspace where product managers, architects, and developers stay perfectly in sync.